Good morning. It's the new 1069 More FM, and it is time to talk about something highly, highly important. I've got a guest, Bill Story from NDOT, with me today, so we could talk about pedestrians on the road. So, welcome to the studio, first and foremost.
Thank you.
And yeah, we're happy to have you here because people, when they think about the program Zero Fatalities, a lot of people think about car-to-car accidents only, but there is also just as many pedestrian fatalities that are a very important factor. So, what are some of the statistics like with pedestrian incidents?
Currently in our state, we unfortunately have about 36 fatalities of pedestrians to date. Last year, we had a total of 70, and we are at that number or ahead of that number this year in 2014. So that's not necessarily a good thing.
Do a lot of those numbers tend to happen around festivals, or is this just throughout the year, anytime?
Well, I don't think there's any marker that points to any one particular type of event. That would make it very easy for us to target those. They tend to be somewhat random. I think that one thing we need to make sure we're aware of is that schools, the annual school year is starting, the universities are starting, and we're going to have a lot more pedestrians around those facilities. And not just during school hours and the trip to and from school, but those facilities are used till late at night. And you need to be aware that there are going to be people walking near those areas all the time.
And especially kids who are distracted on some kind of technology. That's
Absolutely.
also a much bigger problem nowadays. So then when it comes to obviously preventing these fatalities, we got to go over some safety issues. What are some key safety tips for pedestrians who are the ones taking the nice stroll around town, and also some safety tips for those who are driving?
Both parties need to understand that they both play a major part in the safety here. Drivers need to make sure that they're slowing down in areas with pedestrians, that they're not distracted by anything in the car. Drivers need to be aware that everywhere two roads come together, there are unmarked crosswalks that are not painted, and that those are legal places for the pedestrians to cross. And pedestrians have that same responsibility. You know, take off the earphones. Don't be using your phone when you're crossing the street, and make sure that you're actually making contact with that driver. Make eye contact. Make sure you're aware of what each other is going to do.
And then also even at night, make sure you're wearing bright clothing so you're seen. I think that's my biggest one.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Most of the pedestrian accidents actually do occur at night, and many, many times the people are wearing dark clothing.
Now, if people need more information about these safety tips for a good rundown, where can we actually go?
The best site for getting information would be our Zero Fatalities website, and that's zerofataliesnv.com. And there's a ton of information there for both drivers and pedestrians.
Fantastic. So, all right, guys, drive safe, walk safe. Let's make sure we get these numbers down over the next year. And thank you so much for sharing all this information with us, especially now that school year has started. So very important around the schools to be watching out for those kids because they're still learning the rules of the road. All right, we've got more on the way here on More FM.